Hi everyone. Welcome back to Tech It Simple. I'm back with another video content on how to mute all on Google Meet. If you'd like to mute all of your participants on Google Meet while in a video conference or online classrooms, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start off by opening up a web browser. Go to the address bar at the top of the screen and type in Google.com and press enter. Make sure you're logged into your Google Media account. And now go ahead and start a new meeting at the participants for your meeting by clicking on Add Others and typing their name or email in order to add them as the attendee on your Google Meet. Once they join in, you will need to go ahead and click on this human icon at the bottom of the screen. Once all of the participants join in. If you'd like to mute all of the participants, then you can simply click on this Mute All button and all of the participants will be muted. Remember that once you've muted a person, you can't unmute them back to have to be the ones to unmute themselves, since it's attributed to Google privacy issues. Clicking the mute button will notify everyone on the call that they're now muted, and every person in Google Meet can mute anyone else they want. That is how you'll be able to mute the sound from all of the participants that are joined in on a Google Meet. The mute button is an essential part of all video and audio call apps. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Again, thank you for watching.